You'll have love at first sight with the 2016 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle still has fewer than 80,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Jeep Wrangler, the rugged and iconic, adventure-loving four-wheel drive open-air SUV with the power and capabilities you need for your outdoor lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, floor mats, brake-actuated limited-slip differential, trip computer, 5-speed AT, bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Never be anyone but your authentic self. You belong in the Wrangler.